Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows 11 slow internet fix it fast. First method is disable and re-enable network adapter. Second method is stop most internet usage apps. Third method is flush DNS. Fourth method is update network adapter driver. Fifth method is network reset. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.